Don't you want to be in the video, Guinness? Welcome to Flames with James, where we teach you how to... Welcome to Flames with James. I'm your host, James. Nice. I'm gonna do it again. Fuck.
Yep.
I'm James. Welcome to Flames with James. I'm your host, James, and on this show, I'm going to teach you how to cook snacks, meals, and anything in between. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to cook takeout. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to cook pizza grilled cheese. Here's the ingredients that you'll need to get started. First ingredient you're going to need is bread, specifically Martin's potato bread. Next ingredient you're going to need is butter, Parmesan cheese, American cheese, pepperonis, Italian seasoning, and marinara sauce. Alright, first step is you want to take your bread, Martin's specifically, sponsored by Martin's. So you put your bread on the plate, like so. And then you're going to take your American cheese, you're going to put one slice on the top, one slice on the bottom, or that could be the top, that could be the bottom, doesn't matter. And now, you take your pepperonis. This is the most important part. You take your pepperonis and you place them on the outside edge first. And the goal here, what you want to create, is a phrase I like to call EPC, which is even pepperoni coverage. So you place it on like so, and then you take the extra one and you eat it. Next thing you do, take your Parmesan cheese, sprinkle it on top. I don't know why I said it like that. And then you're going to take your Italian seasoning, specifically McCormick's, which is homemade at somebody's home. It wasn't this one, but it was homemade somewhere. And you put it on like so. Next step is you take your other slice, put it on top. There's your uncooked sandwich. Sounds gross. Then you take your butter, get out a knife. What you're gonna do is slowly, important, slowly scoop the butter. Put a, healthy amount. And now we're gonna take our uncooked sandwich, bring it to the stove. And then you take another healthy helping of butter, HHB if you will, and you're gonna put it in the pan. As soon as you put it on the pan, you're gonna put your sandwich on top. Cook it for 1 minute. Cover it with the lid so all the cheese on the inside melts. Like I said, you wait a minute and then you flip it over. After your first minute, you take your lid off, put it aside, get ready to flip your sandwich while it's on the wrist. Make sure your bread stays on top, put it back on, you wait another minute and your sandwich is done. While your grilled cheese is cooking, you take your homemade marinara sauce, homemade by Acme, open it, pour a little bit in a bowl, and then you're gonna cook this for 30 seconds. Nice. After you're done, turn your stove off, lid off, and your sandwich is done. Once your sandwich is done, you're going to cut it in triangles because it is scientifically proven that a sandwich cut in triangles just tastes better. And then you take your marinara sauce, take one half of your sandwich, dip it in, and you try it. Yup. This is really good. I think I've outdone myself. This is actually really f***ing good.